Dating Studio!
Psalms 96:2. In Tocsin version or in Papua New Guinea language, or Psalm 96:2. Yupla, imas singim song long bikla. Yupla, imas blessim nem bilong em. Yupla, imas to out long kisim bek bilong em. Long one plade, igolong naraplade. Or Psalm 96:2. And in Tagalog version, awit 96:2. Magsiawit kayo sa Panginoon. Purihin ninyo ang pangalan niya. Ihayag ninyo ang kanyang pagliligtas sa araw-araw. Awit 96:2. King James Prison Bible. Talk, thank you. Igolong God. Salamat po sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Bible verse. Memorization Challenge. Day 133. Omega Tissue Bible verse of the day. Psalms 96:2. In King James Version. Sing unto the Lord. Bless His name. Shew forth His salvation from day by day.
Today.
Psalms 96:2. Thanks be to God po.